Yeah, my life changed on February 14th, 2019, when I decided to quit porn after probably a 20-year struggle in addiction to it. In the next, few months, like as I, began to kind of get on the other side of this thing, going through a kind of a reboot and rewiring of the brain, which is kind of like the industry terminology, when you begin to kind of heal the effects of pornography, I began to see the world a whole lot differently, Russ. And for me, that was kind of the call that's like, okay, people need to know number one, what you went through, what your story and journey through recovery was, and then that led me to just having people reaching out. Like, so the coaching today is not even something I wanted to do. It was something that kind of came to me. But yeah, so CF Founder of Rebuilt Recovery, the last 2+ years, we've helped about 3,000 men begin to take back control of their lives through our courses, books, coaching programs. So we have a lot of different offers out there. I would say I probably worked hand to hand, in a one-on-one capacity with about 150 to maybe 160 clients. So we've had tremendous success. Just like you, it's not specifically in one kind of parallel. So, I don't only address pornography with the men, because I don't believe that the problem is actually with porn in and of itself. So we look at all key, the 5 areas of their life, which I believe are faith, fitness, finance, family, and freedom, and help them build a plan to level themselves up in those lives and become the men that they were created to be. And that's kind of our tagline: is we help you quit porn and become the men that you were created to be.